Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are in our bathroom and we are getting on with it. We need to do something before we can do the installation upstairs, which is the cables. So we need to put lights in and we need to put some new plug cables as well. Currently the cables are going on the wall. We want them to come from the ceiling down the wall as well. Currently they kind of just go on the wall and out the wall and not upstairs. So it makes a bit cleaner look if we just make them go up. We're going to do actually one plug in the corner there. I don't think we're going to do any rest of the plugs anywhere else. It's not needed, only for pretty much the hair dryer and kind of the shaver and things like that. That's all you kind of need in a bathroom, nothing else. So next to the kind of vanity area we need a plug and the lights. We're going to use these LED lights. Just going to put 4 of them and that's actually the one of the lights that's brightening up the room right now is that light. So we're going to put 4 of those because of course 1 or 2 is just not bright enough. 4 is what you need. So we're going to put 2 there and 2 there. They're not going to be symmetrical. It's going to be quite a bit of a mess because of the wood, the way it goes. But I think it's not going to bother much and you're not really going to be like, oh, why is it not in the right place? Because the actual ceiling is kind of unique. It's not just a plasterboard. So, and also we're going to add an extraction fan for the steam. So that's also going to be a good addition because we did not have that before. So let's go upstairs and get started. Put all the cables into place. This is going to be quite of a mess and I'm not looking forward to it.
Never expect for a sucker, I don't know what it's called, to look so nice. Extraction fan. To look so nice. I don't know, I always thought like in Greece like so bulky and like ugly, but that's like beautiful. Yeah. We even went one step further and bought a backdraft shutter.
Yeah, it needs to be.
Yeah.
Otherwise the cold comes in.
We're professionals.
It's very skinny plastic, but if it lasts long...
Oh, this one. Oh, I didn't see that.
What did you thought is closing it? These plastics?
I got
Those are literally for beauty. This thing is, in theory, it's few cents, but like it's really nothing there, except the plastic flop. You can probably buy a better one, but I think.
I mean, that is from the same company.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't really have a lot of power to open anything bigger, so. looks clean. I don't know.
It's kind
I
of
like black.
aligned with the...
I like black, honestly. A lot of shiny cable visible, and I understand the earth doesn't have anything happening in it, but if the earth touches that live cable, that's not good. So we are at the point where we are connecting the cables. The bathroom is all done. We didn't add any plugs. We're gonna use still this plug cable here that goes through the wall. We're gonna remove that later, but for now we need it for the pump, and we don't need to add new one now. Since we don't know exactly where the new plug will go, we don't want it just hanging around there. This is the old box that is the only box that is left that we haven't changed, and it's just like wired, as you can see, just with your hands. It's not like it's the worst connection ever.
Don't worry, electricity is off, by the way.
Yeah, electricity is off, and yeah, we're gonna just connect this to our new cable, so it's gonna come through here in the box, and this is going to the fuse box. So we are gonna connect it correctly now with the Wago connectors.
Okay, so we are ready
For the big reveal.
for the big reveal. Are you ready? I hope it's not too bright. Ooh,
That is
Oh.
fantastic.
this is nice. Wait, which one is which? Perfect.
Is that perfect?
I think so, no? Do we want to turn on this one and then that one? And that is like silent-y.
Yeah, extra silent. Nice light.
I think it looks pretty
bright.
good.
Much better than the snake light, the neon light.
I mean,
And the color is so much nicer.
it's like more, it's like something in between. Not too blue, not too yellow, I feel.
It
now.
looks really like puts the detail of the wall, kind of. I don't know. It looks
I
beautiful.
think it looks really good.
Looks really nice. I think we're ready for the bathroom renovation now. Kind of like we are going opposite. This should be the final touch. But this.
Well, no, we're going from top to bottom. Well, top, bottom side.
Yeah.
And by the way, we also put the switch inside, because on the outside someone could be inside and then you know, flip the switch.
Yeah,
while
and
someone
also
is
you
inside.
turn off the lights for someone who's showering.
Okay.
But it's done. And now the fan can spin and lights. Really nice lights. That's really beautiful now. So as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now we gotta move on to the storage room. We gotta go add there. We only have 2 lights left, the same lights as these ones. And we're not sure if they're gonna be bright enough because we're only adding 1 per kind of like each side. So we'll see. We could always upgrade to brighter ones, the same exact light, same exact like size. You can get much brighter lights, or maybe they're a bit bigger, but they're a bit brighter and brighter. You can get up ridiculous brightnesses. So we could just put it for now and then change it. The most important thing we want to do is put all the cables in the correct places. So we don't need to do that again because we can't get rid of the insulation that easily, and we want to be done with it upstairs. So yeah, let's go put all the cables in there, and then it's going to be done for the day. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. The bathroom, well, now I guess we gotta continue on and rip this thing out. But
At least we're gonna have good lighting.
yeah, lighting is beautiful now. So let's go add the lights there.
Moment of truth. Here we have 2 options. Let's see how they look.
Ta-da! Looks nice, no?
You can't really tell in the camera actually.
Ah yeah, this one is really yellow. Well, not really yellow. This is a bitty tone yellow, and this is neutral light. I prefer the neutral. I feel like this one kind of makes it look a bit more old school, yes, but I feel like that's more of a mood light rather than the main lights, because I feel like those neutral ones, they definitely are looking better. But this is the IKEA light. This is from the hardware store locally. I feel like this one's not bad, but I think those ones for I think almost half a price are a lot better.
I mean, no, price-wise they were the same, no?
I think these were €8.
These were 8. No, I think they were also
And look
5.
at
I think they were both like
and this one?
5.
Nothing.
I mean, in the camera, I feel like it looks a bit more blue-white-ish than it actually is.
The
And
white
this one,
bands might not be.
yeah, this one looks like the nice one, and this one looks like the 2 blue one. But in real life, yeah.
I think it's confused because it's shining both lights. If you maybe shine it
just
on the
one.
just the light from the back behind you, then it will look a bit better.
Yeah.
But I think definitely that looks the best. I think you can see in the bathroom how it will look only in those lights. So these LED light fixtures, we are actually deciding kind of to change all the house, because currently we have these light bulbs dangling, and I feel like we never kind of thought about it, but the light really does make a difference, and we're noticing it right now. And it's almost the same cost. This I think is costing only like €4, something like that. And a light bulb plus the little attachment that you screw the light bulb in is close to that, like $3.50 maybe. These bright light bulbs especially, they're a bit more expensive. And this one is the same brightness as that, but this creates this nice light and it kind of like shines down instead of this one. So
and it has a good finish, like it looks
it looks
done.
nice. It's nice black frame.
Yeah.
The white ones were actually, I think, sold out, so that's why we went with black.
And
but
more
I
expensive.
feel like
they were more expensive.
white ones more expensive?
Yeah.
Okay, I like the black one. I feel like it looks nice. It looks nice with the lights off, and it looks nice when the lights are on. It has like kind of a black ring around it. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Instead of these dingle dangles, we're gonna change those out for these nice lights. We're gonna do that probably another time. I'm not sure if we're gonna film it, but yeah, hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
A lot of work still left. Plus these ones, we knocked them so many times. Like, yeah, you can literally knock them with your hand. Hey, you talk bad about it.
I don't think someone screwed it very good. Oh yeah, that screw is a bit loose.
It's like, if you talk bad about me, you don't get light.
Oh yeah, I need to touch that back. We need lighting.